Hello everyone, my name is Alwi Wiranata and this is the name of my team. In here I'm gonna explain about what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a field of mathematics that examines relationships involving the length and angles of triangles. The triangles in triangle can be compared using the relations of sin, cosine, and tangent, starting with angle 0 to angle 360. In trigonometry, there are tables for sin, cos, and tan from 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees to 360 degrees. It is called a special angle because the trigonometric ratio value of these triangles can be obtained without the help of a calculator. A trigonometric identity is a relation or open sentence that can contain trigonometric functions and is valid for any replacement of a variable by a constant member of the functional domain. The definition of sin in mathematics is the ratio of the length of the triangle between the front of the angle and the hypotenuse of the triangle, y or z. And the cos in mathematics is the ratio of the length of the triangle between the side of the angle and the side, x or z. And then tan in mathematics is the ratio of the length of a triangle between the front angle and the side of the triangle, y or x. For your information, all of the above equations only apply to right triangles, where one of the angles is 90 degrees. Sin, cos, tan is often listed in tabular form. Those who have studied trigonometry will definitely remember how the table looks like. The table has the value of sin, cos, tan from all the special angles. The simplest table contains custom angle values 0, 30, 45, 45, 60, and 90. In trigonometry, this range is called the first quadrant. A full circle is 360 and is often divided into 4 quadrants. All angles in the 4 quadrants having the value sin, cos, tan. The basis for measuring the size of an angle in a circle is divided into 4 parts called quadrant. Quadrant 1 from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, then quadrant 2 from 90 degrees to 180 degrees, and quadrant 3 from 180 degrees to 270 degrees, then quadrant 4 from 270 degrees to 360 degrees. The sin, cos, and tan in quadrant 1 are all positive. But in quadrant 2, only sin is positive. Then in quadrant 3, only the tan is positive. And in quadrant 4, only cos is positive. The concept of trigonometry. The basis of trigonometry is the concept of constructing a right triangle. The corresponding sides of two congruent plane shapes have the same ratio. If in Euclidean geometry every angle in two triangles is the same measure, the two triangles must be congruent. This is the basis for trigonometric comparison of acute angles. This concept was further developed for non-conical angle over 90 degrees and below 0 degrees. Thus, an explanation of trigonometry starting from the table, sin, cos, and tan. Hopefully, this material can be useful for all of us who read it. Thank you and good luck.